When you have a SharePoint site, you probably will have a lot of documents, files, and folders stored within your SharePoint site. You or the members of your site might have shared those documents and files and folders with some other team members or with some third party vendors. Now, it becomes very difficult at some stage to basically manage all those documents and access and permissions. And you probably want to know who has access to those sites or files and folders, and how those particular documents have been shared with any third party vendors or external vendors. So what we're going to do is to look at how to find and generate a report on the external sharing of those documents and files and folders. So I currently have this SharePoint site, and I have this document library where I have a couple of folders, and within those folders I have some documents which I have shared with some external users, and of course I've added some SharePoint groups, and I've got some members in those groups. Now, to generate a report on the external sharing, or to find out who has access to those documents, what sort of external users, we will go to site settings and click on site usage. So under site usage, if you scroll down the bottom, there is actually a section called shared with external users. So under shared with external users section, I have all these files which have been shared with some external users. So if I click on, there's a document called new catalog.pdf, and I can see those, some actions menu. So if I click on this Eclipse and see view permissions, it actually opens up a pane on right hand side. This tells me that this has been shared with anyone with the link option. Now, anyone with the link option, obviously, who has access to this link can access this particular document. And this also tells me, these are the SharePoint groups that has access to this particular document. If I click on the more actions, I can actually set up an expiry date for this link to expire. So we're not going to talk about that one here. So let's just go back and close this one. So we do the same thing for the folder, which is a test folder. So click the actions menu, click on view permissions, and this now tells us people you specify can view. So if I open this menu, so this is the person who can actually view this particular document, and this person is actually an external user. So let's just close this one. Now, obviously, you can view what sort of access those particular individual documents have, and what has been shared with some external users. But we want to run a report. We want to see everything in one place. So there is an action called run report. So let's click on that. So when you click on that, it's actually going to ask us, where do you want to store the report? So this is actually going to your documents library, which you have on the side. So I've got a folder there. I'll just pick that folder, reports, and say save. So this is now going to generate an external sharing report for us. That report will contain all your files, folders, and documents within your SharePoint site, which has been shared with external users. And it will also tell us what sort of mechanisms has been used by your users to share those documents. So let's click on the document library and go to reports folder where we have shared the external sharing report. So this is the report. Sometimes it might take some time to generate the report, so please be there. It might take a couple of minutes sometimes, or sometimes it's actually quick. So let's open the report. So it's now going to open the report in a new tab. So within the report, I have the resources, item types, permissions, username, user email, all this sort of information. So let me walk you through the report. The resource part, obviously it tells you, that's the TBT sales site, and it tells you, what sort of permissions has and what sort of permission groups are theirs, and the user emails, because in this case we have assigned the users in a group, so it's not listing the user emails. But For your external users, right, we want to find out how the links has been shared. So you can actually look at the report in a couple of ways. So first one is the link type. So specific people and anyone with the link option, right? If your users have shared your documents or files or folders using these options, you can actually sort this report or filter this report based on these specific people and anyone. So these sometimes or most probably are the users who are based externally from your organization. So for example, this project plan document, it has a read permission. It has been shared with toshitb50@gmail.com. Obviously this is an external user, and it actually tells you the user type is an external user, and it has been shared using the specific people link. Similarly, there are some links which has been shared using the anyone with the link option. So obviously, I only had a small set of documents, but if you run this report in your SharePoint site where you have large number of documents and you want to find out who or those documents or files has been shared to and what sort of external users are there, you can actually run this report and have some filters on, and you will find out more about the external sharing and and probably manage those documents and security of your site. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new today. If you have any comments, please leave your feedback under the comment section. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again.